Makaih.
Drop.
6 a.m. on a Saturday, going to Cars and Coffee. This is why neighbors hate me.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin now. What up?
Hey guys, we're at Tucson Cars and Coffee. Well, if you could call it Cars and Coffee. Yeah, coronavirus scaring everybody. Stupid. So, but we'll take a look at some of the stuff that's out here. I mean, there's some pretty cool stuff just for what's here today. But yeah. All right, guys. Well, we know what one of these is. We've seen this is a 53 MB, so all original. Kind of looks a little like ours, but a little different.
Yeah, probably strong.
Really cool. Full-blown mill version. And we have Corvair. This is not your standard Corvair right here.
You met that guy in, sorry about that. He's up near Phoenix.
A little bit of a turbo.
Yeah.
This thing's been
I went up there.
fuel injected.
Bought some parts.
It's got some
He
really
said he's done a couple of engines for Jay Leno.
cool stuff.
For Corvair things that he's been doing. He says, oh my God.
When I also read an American Airlines pilot has
Catch a stencil on a dash and install drain plug before 40.
It's our buddy Eric's Camaro. Erica, what Gen 1 or what gen is this one?
First gen.
First
Camaro,
gen.
it's a 68.
68.
So middle of the first gens.
Dude, they did a fabulous job on that.
They did
Dude.
an awesome job.
Man.
Get my dirty lunch on a dirty car.
All right. He drives it almost as much as we drive the Cobra.
As much as I can.
Beautiful thing about living here in Arizona is we get to drive our cars a lot. I mean, it's not a too shabby shot, right? Porsche GT4 parked next to us. I mean, I still think we're prettier, but that's, you know, we're a little biased. So. These brakes are huge. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's see if I can get a picture of it. These are 20-inch rims. And there's like 1.5 inches between the brake rudder and the tire.
Okay, Genesis, I see you, boy.
When Genocide pull up, I'll let him have the spot. I'll let him have the spot this time.
Oh, Lord, that's that 38. That's that 38.
Oh, the boy is on the ground. Get up. Oh.
I believe so, yeah. I think that's what he was saying.
But yeah, that's the right one.
Even in Tucson, you get Ferraris. People don't believe it, but.
So, Michael, you know, especially now you got
I haven't even read that one.
Well, if you see something that's bad, you know,
I'm very, very comfortable with soldering. I do all my separate colors on the video. I do everything. I do all the right things.
So this might be Tucson's first Uris. Haven't seen one out here before, but Gets driven. It's cool. Little kiddo seat. This is the next car that we want to do after our top secret one that you guys are going to see in a minute, or in a minute, in a bit. But this is the next thing that we want to do. This would be a lot of fun.
The engine is so strong. Right on 9,500. Wow. You know, you open up and it's a secret. That's the engine. But it puts out so much. I know. Perfect for turbocharged. Like that, you did this. The last car when it was working for us.
I don't know if you guys can see it. Carbon fiber wheels. Ceramic brakes.
I'm looking at the joints across here.
488 Pista.
Sorry, boss.
No, you're good. You're good.
How you doing, man?
Good. How are you? This thing's supercharged. Got a 351 little Paxton supercharger, doing about 8 psi on this thing. It's an ERA.
Oh, beautiful.
Hey Joe, this is for you. Did you do the swap on?
Yep.
Yeah. I got a buddy I work with who just got a GS.
Did he?
And he's that's what we're talking about here in a year or two.
Yep, we're still swapped. We did this overnight.
Did you?
Yep.
Was it bad? No. Okay.
They fit in the car perfectly.
Yeah.
They're made for it, man.
Yeah, I mean, basically taking out the same thing and just putting
Exactly.
a little bigger one in with the same shape.
What up, man?
Yeah, Joe, here you go.
Yeah. So it's car show soon.
Let's let me roll down the window and listen for a minute before.
You should just put it out right there and be like, hey, I got it.
Yeah.
I got them two focuses now.
I got the Beamer next.
Are you work on the beast, right? I work at actually at the garbage.
So this is cool. We haven't seen many of these here. Actually, I don't think I've seen one here in Tucson. This is a Factory 5 Roadster. This might be one or two of them here in Tucson, but there's not many. It's cool. All right, guys, so let me make sure this thing's upright. Yep. All right, guys, so there is not the typical Tucson. Make sure I don't burn myself as I'm getting out of this thing. It's not the typical Tucson Cars and Coffee. Generally, there's a lot more to look at. Generally, the whole parking lot is full. There's 5-6 rows. You actually get to see some really cool stuff. Not that there wasn't cool stuff out there right now, but you know, this mass hysteria. I guess what we found out is they actually canceled it late last night or last night, but it is what it is. So there you go. Hey, hi Chloe. Where's Chloe? Chloe? Yeah, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hi. Chloe's probably mad at me because I did not take Chloe to Cars and Coffee with me. Are you mad? Are you mad? She doesn't look too mad. But yeah, so Cars and Coffee Tucson. Hopefully in April we'll have this thing out there with us, with the Cobra, and there'll be more people because this hysteria thing will be over, or the world's going to end and we won't be there. So until next time, see you guys. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like what you see, hey, subscribe down below. Give us that like button. You can also follow us on Instagram. Make sure that you have your post notifications turned on so you can catch up on when we post something new. With that, have a good time and ride on.